Let's talk about internal structure of leaf. Before going to their structure, let's know about leaf. Leaf is the external part of the plant. Most of the leaves are green in color. You can see here, this is the leaf. It is green in color and it is also the outermost part of the plant. Leaves are also known as food factory because photosynthesis is a process which is occurring inside of the leaves, and it is a process in which food is prepared. It is also known as oxygen factory because not only food is preparing in the leaves, oxygen is also preparing in the leaves. So let's come to our topic, which is internal structure of leaf. We all know about external structure of leaves. That leaves contain lamina, which is green in color. This whole space, you may understand, this whole place is known as lamina. You can see margin. It is also external part. This is the external part, margin. Vein is also present. Veinlets, small veins is also present. So this is basically the external structure of leaf. But today I am going to explain about the internal structure of leaf. That basically what is present in this leaf inside. So let's start from the first. This is the general diagram of internal structure of leaf. So let's start from here. This part, basically here, this whole part is present, and this whole part is present. These both are known as epidermis. This is upper epidermis and this is lower epidermis. This is epidermis tissue. You can see this one by one is epidermis tissues. And epidermis tissues are closely pegged to one another. You can see in the diagram. These are closely pegged to one another, basically providing a little bit protection for the leaves. So it was the first part of the internal structure of leaf. Let's move inside more. You can see here this greenish color tissues which are far away from one another. This is known as mesophyll tissues. This green color tissue is known as mesophyll tissue, which is mostly found in green color. And the process of photosynthesis is basically occurring here. Why it is green in color? It is green in color because chlorophyll is present here in the mesophyll tissue. And we know that chlorophyll is green in color. Here you can see at the epidermis tissues, here at the lower level, that small hole is present here. This hole, and here also a small hole is present. Basically, this hole are known as stomata. This place is known as stomata. The main function of stomata is to do the gaseous exchange between the leaves and the external environment. And you can see this small protection here, small protection cell, which is basically known as guard cell. This small protection, which is with the stomata, is present between these two small cells. This is known as guard cell, and the main function is protecting the stomata. Let's move to another one. Here also a conducting tissue is present. Conducting tissue. Conducting tissue means that it is conducting water or food or other minerals. So students, what will be the conducting tissues in leaves? Mostly phloem and xylem. Here at the middle, the xylem and phloem is present. You can see this is basically the conducting tissue, which is consists of phloem and xylem tissues. The main function of phloem is to transfer food from one part of the plant to another part of the plant, while xylem transferring the water from one part of the plant to another part of the plant. So this was all about the internal structure of leaf. Thanks for watching.